And let's now quickly shift our attention to the latest coming in the liquor excise policy case. CDs opposed Arvind Kejriwal's bail plea. The Enforcement Directorate says there's documentary evidence of payments made. The ED also went on to detail several notes which were used for fund transfer. So that's the latest news coming in. The Enforcement Directorate says hawala money used to fund Arvind Kejriwal's stay at 7-star hotel, a lakh paid in 2 installments. Has spoken of all of these details in front of the court. Let me go across to Ananya Bhatnagar joining us with more details. The Enforcement Directorate not holding back. We saw a host of serious arguments presented by the ED yesterday, and that's being taken forward today, Ananya.
Well, definitely these arguments are being taken forward today with a whole detail of all the hawala transactions that have taken place, and also giving the route of how these hawala transactions have taken place. If you remember, that hawala transactions require tokens, which are basically notes with some certain serial numbers. One half is with the person who is to send that money, and the other half is with the receiver. While when the angadiya or the hawala operator actually transfers that money, he asks for that token, and that's exactly how hawala transactions take place, and that's exactly what Additional Solicitor General S.V. Raju was explaining. In fact, a big statement is coming from the Additional Solicitor General that it is not that the ED is doing an investigation in there. There is concrete evidence is what the Additional Solicitor General appearing for the Enforcement Directorate has stated. He also goes down to say that the hawala money was used to fund Arvind Kejriwal stay at the 7-star hotel in fact the Grand Hyatt Hotel in fact Goa during the election period. In fact, 1 lakh was paid in 2 installments of 50,000 each by Charanpreet Singh, and the hawala transactions were being handled by Mr. Vinod Chauhan, who is said to be the last arrest in this particular case. So very clearly, categorically, the Enforcement Directorate leaves no stone unturned when it comes to this particular investigation, at least against the Delhi Chief Minister in this particular case.
This even as, his judicial custody has been extended till the 3rd of July, but it was the ED in a court that yesterday said that it's convinced of money laundering charges against Arvind Kejriwal. Thank you for that, Ananya. We're tracking that closely. A quick break for now. We'll be right back. Do stay tuned.